Over this year, you'll see more glimpses of what's coming, more previews, more capabilities. Because by fall 2026, everything you know about interacting with automotive intelligence is going to improve. I'm here to make your teams faster, smarter, and most importantly, focused on decisions, not the hunt for data. With me finding answers in seconds and our analysts providing the insight and context behind them, you'll get clarity you can trust. 2026 is the year of transformation, where data, performance, and insights converge faster than ever before. If you'd like to receive early updates on the platform and its features ahead of launch, sign up today for email news alerts. A new era of mobility intelligence is on the horizon, and I cannot wait to work with you. See you soon.